Leveling on this dashboard is 2 full tabs, XP and level ups with every multiplier you can imagine, and a separate rank card designer with sliders, freeform positioning, and its own preset library. We're covering every control across both. This is the leveling side of the dashboard. Members earn XP from chatting and voice time, level up, unlock roles, and get their own generated rank card. Quick map, XP settings and the level up message, the level up embed and webhook identity, prestige and member of the month, titles and level roles, every kind of XP multiplier, streaks and decay, voice XP, and then a whole second tab for the rank card designer itself. Every single one covered. First switch, leveling enabled. Everything downstream depends on this one toggle. XP per message is normally a random range 15 to 25 here, but if you set a fixed amount instead, every message grants exactly that much. No randomness at all. A 60-second cooldown between XP earning messages stops spam farming outright, and this second switch closes the last loophole. Send the exact same message twice, and the repeat earns nothing. Pick a level up channel, or leave it blank to announce level ups right where the member was chatting. The level up message itself, with mention and level variables built right in congrats, you reached level 10, and the bot fills in the rest. 3 more switches. Drop the previous level role when a new one arrives, so roles don't pile up. Route level ups to DM only for servers that would rather not spam the channel. And an auto reaction the bot drops on its own level up message. And a DM at 90% to the next level, a gentle nudge, once per level, right before someone tips over. Swap the plain text level up message for a full custom embed, and the special curly brace rank card variable can drop the member's own generated card image straight into it. Same enterprise embed builder as everywhere else on this dashboard. Browse a few of the built-in templates. Close the popover without loading one, and then rewrite the title and description to make it fully your own. Level up messages can post under a completely custom name, and avatar instead of the bot's own identity, a webhook in disguise. Prestige lets a member who's hit the max level reset to 0 on purpose, in exchange for a permanent prestige badge, a reason to keep going after level cap. Member of the Month automatically calls out last month's top XP earner. On the first of every month, no manual work at all. And right here on the Leveling tab, a quick version of the rank card style layout and animation. There's a much deeper designer waiting in its own tab, and we'll get there. 4 quick colors: accent, name, caption text, and an optional XP bar gradient. A background URL, or upload an image directly. This is the server's default look for every member who hasn't set their own. A live preview updates the instant any of these change, before you even save. Level titles are custom labels that show up on the rank card from a given level onward. Level 5 and up could read Trusted Member, for instance. Level roles are the real reward. Reach level 10, and the veteran role gets granted automatically. When a member qualifies for several XP multiplier roles at once, this decides whether only the highest counts or they all stack additively with an overall cap either way. Set a role-based multiplier silver donors, earning 1.5 times the base XP, a small, real perk for supporting the server. Category-level multipliers work the same way, but for an entire Discord category, at once the whole gaming category getting a boost, channel by channel, without setting each one individually. Timed XP events are the classic double XP weekend, a multiplier that's only active inside a scheduled window, then quietly expires on its own. A daily activity streak adds a small XP percentage for every consecutive active day, capped so it can't run away. And the opposite, XP decay slowly shrinks an inactive member's total the longer they're gone, so leaderboards stay honest. Voice channels earn XP2 per minute, only once enough members are actually in the room, and muted members can be skipped entirely. Ignored channels and roles quietly opt out of XP. Without a fuss, blacklisted roles go a step further and disappear from the leaderboard completely. Every manual XP add, remove, or reset a moderator runs shows up right here, fully logged. And the entire leveling database, every member's XP and level exports to a CSV for backup, or imports back in to restore it. This is the rank card designer its own tab, and by far the deepest visual customization tool on the whole dashboard. 3 layouts: classic, banner, and compact, and 3 sizes. We'll go banner and large, the richest combination this designer offers. Turn on animation, and the card gets a one-time entrance fade, slide, or confetti. Confetti it is. Accent, name, text, and an XP bar gradient, 4 colors, full control over the palette. A background URL, and a darkening overlay color that sits on top of it, keeping every piece of text readable no matter what image is underneath. Animation speed controls exactly how fast that entrance plays out. Background darkening, how strong that overlay actually is. Push it up over a busy image, and the text stays perfectly legible. A background blur softens the image itself, so the foreground text pops even more. Upload a background image directly, there it is, live, and removed just as easily. Or skip uploading entirely. 5 built-in gradient swatches, apply instantly. No file needed. Save rank card, and this style is now the server's real default, live for every member. The live preview can render as any specific member to search, and it swaps the avatar and name right in. The real test: send an actual rank card, generated by the same code the /rank command uses, for real, not an approximation. 6 sliders shape the geometry itself. Name font size, avatar size, XP bar thickness, corner rounding, bar glow, and a text outline width for readability over busy backgrounds. And if the layout's default placement isn't quite right, freeform positioning overrides it: avatar, name, XP bar, even badges, each to an exact pixel. Just like the level up message, the /rank command's response can be replaced with a fully custom embed too, using the exact same rank card variable. High contrast forces guaranteed readable text in one click. A seasonal theme swaps colors automatically around Christmas and Halloween, and WebP output shrinks the file size on non-animated cards. Badges render as dots or stars, and this caps how many show at once. 3 more toggles add real data to the card itself: the member's daily streak, their leaderboard position, and when they last leveled up. Save the entire look as a named preset. Apply it back with one click anytime, or delete it once you've moved on. Export the whole configuration as a JSON file to back it up, or hand it to another server, and import brings a saved file straight back in. Finally, individual members can carry their own personal override on top of every server default searchable right here, with a one-click reset for the whole server if a style ever needs to be undone. Here's the full loop in action. A member chats, XP quietly builds up, a level up fires, the role unlocks automatically, and the generated rank card is exactly what was designed a moment ago. Timed events, category boosts, streaks, and decay, all running underneath, so the numbers a member sees always reflect what's actually configured. That was every control across both leveling tabs, XP, and level ups, and the full rank card designer. Try it free at ascensionbot.hu. The link is in the description. Next up in the series, economy currencies, shops, and the rank store roles that plug right back into everything you just saw. Subscribe so you don't miss it.